Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link your Instagram story to WhatsApp so you can directly share your Instagram story to WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here and then I'm going to choose one of the images from my gallery. Right guys, okay, for example this one, I'm going to create an Instagram story with this image and I'm going to share it to my Instagram. Okay, and now the Instagram story is being uploaded and we just need to wait for a moment until the process complete. Okay, after the Instagram story has been uploaded, we're going to link the story to WhatsApp. If you want to do that, you can click on this option. Here you can choose either you want to share it to WhatsApp or Facebook. And since we want to directly share our Instagram story to WhatsApp, we can choose WhatsApp. Okay, like this. And then you just need to click on the send button to send it to your WhatsApp. Okay, and I'm going to check my WhatsApp. All right. This is the result, guys. That's so easy, right? You just need to share it to WhatsApp and the story will be the same like the story in our Instagram. And here we'll get this button, view on Instagram. And when we click on this view on Instagram, it will bring us to our Instagram story. Okay. It will make you easier if you don't want to create the same story on WhatsApp. You just need to open up your Instagram and share the story to WhatsApp status directly. Okay, and let me check it again. Okay, here you can also share it to Facebook if you want, so you can directly share story from WhatsApp to Facebook. Okay, and I'm going to close it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to link Instagram story to WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.